What's up, Elevator? Coach Brian here, and today's episode is called How Journaling is Linked to Success. And today I'm going to discuss the 7 ways in which journaling can help you achieve success. I'm going to discuss 5 ways to get the most out of journaling, and then I'm going to leave you with 3 actionable steps you can implement starting today that will help you start journaling so you will elevate to great. Journaling is often associated with personal reflection and introspection, but it can also be a powerful tool for success. Numerous studies have shown that journaling can improve mental and physical health, increase productivity, and boost creativity and problem-solving skills. Here are 7 ways in which journaling can help you achieve success. Before I get into the 7 ways, please smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the tips that I release each week. Number 1 is it can help you clarify your goals. When you journal, you have the opportunity to think carefully about what you want to achieve and why. This process of reflection can help you identify the most important goals and develop a clearer plan for achieving them. Number 2 is it can increase your self-awareness. Keeping a journal gives you regular practice in introspection and self-reflection. Over time, this can help you become more aware of your thoughts, your feelings, your behaviors, which is essential for making positive changes. Number 3 is it can boost your problem-solving skills. Writing about your problems can help you to see them from different perspectives and find creative solutions. Brainstorming in your journal can also help you to generate new ideas and think outside the box. Number 4 is it can improve your time management skills. Journaling can help you to become more aware of how you spend your time and where your priorities lie. This knowledge can be invaluable for making better use of your time and achieving greater productivity. Number 5 is it can reduce stress and anxiety. Writing about your worries and concerns can help to put them into perspective and make them feel more manageable. Journaling can also be a form of self-care, providing a space for you to express your emotions in a healthy way. Number 6 is it can boost your mood and motivation. Regular journaling can help you to see the positives in your life and appreciate your accomplishments. This positive outlook can lead to increased happiness and motivation. And number 7, it can enhance your memory and cognitive functioning. Writing about your experiences can help you to remember them more clearly, and journaling can also improve your thinking and problem-solving skills by providing regular mental stimulation. It's important to note that success comes in many forms, and journaling can help you achieve success in all areas of your life. Whether you want to boost your productivity, reduce stress, or simply clarify your goals, journaling can help you to achieve your desired outcome. I've stated many benefits to journaling, but many find it hard to know where to start. But I got you covered. So here are 5 tips to help you get the most out of your journaling practice. Number 1 is set a goal for your journaling. What do you hope to accomplish by journaling? Whether it's exploring your creative side, working through a difficult situation, or simply recording your daily thoughts, setting a goal will help you focus your journaling and get the most out of it. Number 2 is be consistent. Set aside some time each day or each week to journal. The more consistent you are, the more benefits you'll see from journaling. Number 3 is be honest. Journaling is a safe space for you to be completely honest with yourself. So don't hold back. Let it all out on the page. Number 4 is be specific. When you're writing in your journal, be as specific as possible. This will help you track your progress and see the impact that your journaling is having on your life. Number 5 is experiment. There are no rules when it comes to journaling, so feel free to experiment. Try different techniques and formats and styles of writing to see what works best for you. And don't be afraid to mix things up from time to time. Your journal should be a reflection of you and your unique journey. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to making the most out of your journaling practice. So let's go ahead and talk about the 3 actionable steps that you can implement starting today that will help you start journaling so you will elevate to great. Number 1 is pick a journaling method that suits your needs. If you prefer to write by hand, invest in a beautiful notebook that inspires you. If you prefer to type, try using a program like Evernote or OneNote. Number 2 is set aside some time each day for journaling. Even just 10 or 15 minutes can be beneficial. So choose a time that works best for you and stick to it as much as possible. Number 3 is write about whatever it is on your mind without censoring yourself. So this is your journal, so there are no rules about what you can or cannot write. Let your thoughts flow freely and see where they take you. I want you to know that with these 3 simple steps, you can start journaling today and begin reaping the benefits. Remember that there is no right or wrong way to journal. The most important thing is to simply start doing it. In the comments below, tell me where you are when it comes to journaling. What are some of the things that you journal about? What are some of the steps that you took to get started? I really would like to hear from you, and just know that your input in the comment section may help others too. I invite you to check out the links in the description for my discounts and my affiliate links to some great products. Join Elevator's inbox at brianrobinsoncoaching.com for some free and valuable tips and resources. Check me out on Etsy for some great worksheets, workbooks, and personal development tools. My shop is called Elevate to Great, and there's a link in the description. And finally, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is Coach Brian.